Each bottle of Quick Fix Synthetic Urine has a specific batch number that verifies your product is balanced for pH, specific gravity, and creatine. It's important to validate your product before use to ensure it is not counterfeit and meets our standard of quality for testing. To begin, locate the batch number, either printed on the bottle or on the instruction card. Enter your batch number into the batch validator at urineluck.com or follow this QR code. After verifying that your Quick Fix is an authentic and current formula, you can proceed with use. To learn more, please visit urineluck.com.